Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I am going to be showing you how I'm putting together a little fall wreath using Dollar Tree supplies and this thrift store wreath. I found this at the thrift store for $1, and so I had to bring it home. And it was just like this. It didn't have any decorations on it, which is even better. I don't have to deconstruct it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this grapevine wreath. It's actually, I don't know if you call it a grapevine, but anyway, it's a natural wreath, and I'm going to be using these cute little pumpkin clips here. I also have some burlap stickers, and I have this burlap dotted ribbon. All of this came from the Dollar Tree, so it's real budget friendly. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to put together a really cute fall wreath using these supplies. If that sounds good to you, then stay tuned and we'll get started. Okay, the very first thing that we want to do is we want to secure these little pumpkins to your wreath. And this is fairly easy to do with this twig type wreath because the little clips just fit right onto those little twigs. And what I decided to do is I'm going to nestle all of these little pumpkins together and create a little cluster of pumpkins basically to the left-hand side, lower left-hand side of the wreath as you're facing it. Okay, and then now we're ready to add the little burlap flowers. And all I'm doing here is just attaching them with some hot glue. I didn't even leave the stickers on them. The stickers are going to be totally useless on this twig wreath, so you want to add some hot glue to the back of it and just randomly place them all around the edges of the wreath. I put some out toward the tip ends and some in close, and I try to kind of vary the colors because you have the white burlap and then the brown burlap, or tan burlap, so you can just kind of be creative on this. And one of the things that I really wanted to do was leave a little gap above where I had put the cluster of pumpkins because I'm going to put a bow there. Okay, and then I'm just going to make a simple little bow with this burlap dotted ribbon here, and just attach it just above where we have the pumpkins. This little gap that you see here is where we're going to be putting the bow. And so I'm going to go ahead and make the bow real quickly, and then we're just going to attach it here to the wreath. I'm going to actually tie this one on, and then I'm going to be making another wreath, I mean not wreath, but bow with the raffia fabric to kind of go over this and make it look really rustic and fun. So once we get all of this put together, I'm just going to tie it up with some jute twine, and then we're going to have a pretty bow here. I had just a couple more of the little burlap flowers, and so I'm just kind of filling in some of the spaces here next to the bow. And I had originally thought I would just do the burlap bow, but I'm really not happy with how it looks. It's just a little bit too plain looking for me, and so that's why I decided to go back in with some raffia on top of it. And I just attached this raffia ribbon with some hot glue, and we are now finished with our wreath. Let's see what it looks like. I originally hung the Dollar Tree wreath here on the door in our loft area. I love this chippy white paint next to the wreath. I think it looks good here, but then I moved it, and I really like it here in the living room on the barn door. Not a bad $15 wreath that you can make in less than 25 minutes. How do you like it?